Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Just want to focus here on the smaller time frame on the Solana chart. If you're interested in the bigger picture, I covered it yesterday. We talked about the entire wave 4 here and everything and zoomed out a little bit, but not much happened since yesterday. But we obviously have a bit of a consolidation up here. So I wanted to focus on the smaller time frame, which I think is quite interesting because this is now where decisions are made and we first will find out if a pullback is unfolding. Bitcoin shows a bit of selling pressure today, sees a little bit of downside. So maybe this is now Bitcoin's wave 4 pullback. On the Solana chart, we're basically looking here at the equivalent of that, and that would be a B wave correction on the Solana chart. The support area hasn't really shifted from yesterday's update. So you see, we wanted the price from down here get into this target region between $161.23 and $174.26. I'd say mission accomplished. It's been reached. Okay, so we are there now. What exact microstructure it is, a bit ambiguous, but I feel quite good about this WXY structure here, in which we have a WX, so the X wave bottomed in July, and then the Y wave to the upside is unfolding now, and the Y wave is an A, B, C structure. Surely there are other interpretations that are possible, but in the short term they don't really make a difference. What we want to see is now that the price forms a higher low in the next pullback and then can keep going to the upside here into the region, possibly around $174, maybe even stretching to $190. But for now, the uptrend is still alive, the direct uptrend. Bear in mind that on this chart, we're tracking primarily an Elliott wave triangle, which is a 5-wave move. You see the letters A, B, C, D. This is the D wave leg of the triangle, and then we could get another E wave, which would be the higher low in wave E then. But it would need to hold above the C wave low, which is at $121.60, but we might not even go down that much in this E wave. First of all, we have another support area to watch, and it is defined between $140 and $151.46. So there are a few Fibonacci levels here. Additional levels are $148 and $144.67. These would have to be moved slightly if the price manages to push higher once more. But at the moment, the idea is we are in the late stages of an A wave of that wave Y. Okay, so a Y wave is a 3-wave move, A, B, C. I'm tracking the direct uptrend with a trend line. As soon as this trend line breaks, and I'm not talking about a wick, but if we get a convincing break below that trend line, it could be an early signal that the B wave has started. The B wave itself would be an ABC structure. So we're tracking here an A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. And then if we're looking for the A wave down, yeah, it might reach $151.46. Sometimes the A waves reach the 38.2 retracements and we can get a BC. It looks a bit exhausted up here, but they can still extend higher. I mean, it really minimally takes a break below the trend line to give us an indication that a top is in place in this A wave. Then the B wave support area becomes relevant. Probably the area around $151.46 first, or even the previous swing low around $152.50. Also, I need a break below that swing low to really confirm that a top has been established in wave A. So we talk about, yeah, $152.50. So at the moment, the trend is still up, but we're now obviously in an area where the risk is higher because we're far away from a Fibonacci support area, but we can still use trend lines to track the direct uptrend. That's the update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.